Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes automatic registry backup in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand control. Click and expand session manager. Click and expand configuration manager. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value. Type Enable Periodic Backup. Change value to 1. Click OK. Exit and close Registry Editor. Registry backups are stored on this folder. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.